I didn't realize how much I grew until I paused. From January to March 2026, I wasn't just creating content, I was creating life. As a mother, I showed up even on days when I was exhausted. Still choosing love, still choosing presence. As an inclusive education consultant, I supported children in ways that go beyond textbooks. Quiet wins, small breakthroughs, the kind that truly matter. As a content creator, I stayed consistent. I showed up even when I was scared, unsure, but still showed up. I chose growth over comfort. There were days when I doubted myself, days I felt like I am doing too much. But looking back now, so much went so right. So, Alhamdulillah, I am celebrating these small wins, the unseen efforts, and the silent growth. I wrote everything on these small pics, and I am choosing to celebrate because I created content with purpose and not just to influence. As I said in the very beginning of my journey, I started taking care of my body. I did not give up on myself. I did not judge myself. This is the biggest achievement I have ever got in 2026 in these 3 months. Last but not the least, I trusted Allah's plan even in uncertainty. Because I know we plan, but He is the one who plans better. And by the way, these brownies look so delicious. Chocolate fudge filled with walnuts, dripped with Nutella, looks so soft from inside, and it is just melting in my mouth. And these brownies are from the Cookie Cook. Because this journey, it deserves to be celebrated. I was one of the most scared person in my family to take step for anything. And this step has made me think that I have been on the right path till now. So if you are someone and you have been showing up to it, this is your reminder that you are doing better than you even think. So I am planning to build a space for people where they can come and reflect their journey, grow together, stay together, learn together, share their feelings, share their emotions together. So if you are someone who wants to join a safe space where we grow together, reflect together, heal together, learn together, fall together, get up together, take break together, come back together, pause together, and reflect together, comment down below, reflect, and follow me for more such real, honest journeys like this. Because I am going to share each and everything that I have achieved emotionally, mentally, physically, and financially by starting this content creation journey since January 2026. Because I think these decisions don't only need time, it needs courage to take a break, to come back, to pause, and then to reflect.